Good day. We're here to discuss decision analysis. So what is decision analysis? Decision analysis is used to identify the best solution or strategy among numbers of alternatives. It provides quantitative data in order to identify the alternative that will give the best among the others. So here are the terms that we'll be encountering in this tutorial. Alternatives. These are the options given in the problem. States of nature. These are the events that would likely occur on the alternatives. Optimistic approach. This is the approach in finding the highest among the highest. Conservative approach. This is the approach in finding the highest among the lowest. Minimax regret approach. It is the approach in finding the lowest among the highest. Expected value with perfect information. It is solving for the expected value given that best strategies per state of nature is given. Expected value without perfect information is solving for the expected value given that best strategies per state of nature is not given. Don't get confused on expected value with perfect information and expected value of perfect information. Expected value of perfect information is the difference between expected value with perfect information and expected value without perfect information. Expected value with sample information is solving for the expected value given that there are other information given. Example, favorable and unfavorable. Expected value without sample information is solving for the expected value given that there are no other information given. Expected value without sample information is equal to expected value without perfect information. Expected value of sample information is the difference between expected value with sample information and expected value without sample information. Efficiency rating is knowing how efficient the solving of expected value. Step 1 in decision analysis. Here's a problem about which car to sell. Steve wants to sell one of his car collections. The brands are Ford, Honda, and BMW. He was thinking if he would sell his car based on the following types: sedan, SUV, or sports. The probability that he would sell sedan, SUV, and sports are 24%, 46%, and 30% respectively. However, he consulted a professional in order to provide more accurate information. The favorable and unfavorable probability are 77% and 23% respectively. Other information are included. So here's the profit table. He wants to know what brand would he sell in order for him to have a highest profit. Step 2 in decision analysis. Identify alternatives in state of nature. This step is where the problem is being analyzed, and all probable alternatives and states of nature will be enumerated in table form, and also probabilities will be given and shown. Step 3 in decision analysis. Solve the following.
First step, let's use the optimistic approach. The highest value for Ford is 10,000. The highest value for Honda is 13,000, while in BMW is 12,000. The highest among the three is Honda, amounting to $13,000. Next is, let's use the conservative approach. For Ford, the lowest value is 5,000. For Honda, the lowest value is 4,000. While in BMW, the lowest value is 4,500. The highest among the lowest values is 5,000 Ford. Next is, let's make the minimax regret. The highest value in sedan is 7,000. You will subtract the other values to get the regrets. Ford has the value of 2,000 while the BMW has 2,500. Next is, for SUV, the highest value is 12,000. You will subtract the other values to get the grid. For Ford, the value is 4,000, while in Honda, the value is 8,000. Last is for Sports. The highest value is 13,000. You will subtract it to the other values to get the grid. The value for Ford is 3,000. For BMW is 2,000. We'll get the maximum value for each row. For Ford, the highest value is 4,000. For Honda, the highest value 8,000. For BMW, the highest value is 2,500. Next is, find the lowest among the highest regrets. The lowest regret is 2,500. Next is, use the expected value approach. We will find the expected value without perfect information. We will compute each alternative with the corresponding probabilities. The expected value without perfect information for Ford is 7,880. The expected value for Honda is 7,420, while in BMW is 9,900. Among the three, BMW has the highest value amounting to 9,900. Next is, find the expected value with perfect information. We use the highest value among the three alternatives. The expected value with perfect information is 11,100. Next is, we find the expected value of perfect information by subtracting expected value without perfect information to expected value with perfect information. The expected value of perfect information is 1,200. Since the expected value without perfect information is the same as the expected value without sample information, the expected value without sample information is 9,900. Next is, we will compute the expected value with sample information. These are the given probabilities to its corresponding alternatives. Among the three alternatives, BMW has the highest expected value of 10,345. Next is, we will compute the expected value with sample information for unfavorable. For unfavorable, the highest value is BMW having the amount of 9,875. Next is, we will find the expected value with sample information. We will use the amounts that we have chosen in favorable and unfavorable. These are the probabilities corresponding the favorable and unfavorable. The expected value with sample information is 10,236.9. Next is, we will find the expected value of sample information. We will subtract the expected value without sample information to the expected value with sample information. Our expected value of sample information is 336.9. Last is, we will find the efficiency rating by dividing the expected value of sample information and expected value of perfect information. The efficiency rating is 28.75%.
EVPI is better than EVSI because it gives Steve a higher profit. And according to the efficiency rating, 28.75% efficient that EVSI will be good for him. And we're done! We hope you've learned a lot from this video tutorial about decision analysis. Thanks for watching!